How to create a quotation. So let's start. This is the discuss tab, and from here we'll go to this menu section. We'll select this and go to sales module. So this is the dashboard of sales module. Here you can view all your quotations that you will create. You can view your quotations in list view as well as in Kanban view. So this is the already created quotation in my dashboard. Let's create a new one. Click on this create button. This will take you to the quotation form that you need to fill in. For this, put in all the details. So here you can see some of the fields are highlighted in purple color. So these are the mandatory fields or the compulsory fields that you need to put in for sure. Otherwise, your quotation will not be saved. So put in all the details. For example, your customer, select your customer. For example, this is the already existing customer in my system. You can select this, or you can create a new customer as well. Odoo provides a functionality from for creating a new customer from here. So I'm selecting an already existing customer. Here, the type of quotation, like it is related to project, it's a service, or is it a spare? So I'm selecting service for now. Then the location, is it domestic or export? So I'm selecting domestic. Here, these terms are ABG, PBG. These are the bank guarantee terms, advanced bank guarantee and the performance bank guarantee. If you want to put in any guarantee terms, then you can select these checkboxes. And after selecting, this will shows ABG terms and ABG date that you need to fill in. So after putting the existing customer, the invoice address and the delivery address of that customer automatically filled in. So you have to put in the details of address of the customer, then the schedule date. You can select it from here, whatever date you want to select or schedule. Then the quotation date, the date on which this quotation was created, the customer reference. Now, this already existing customer must have some reference. You need to put in that customer reference in this field. Customer order date, on which date the customer is placing wants to place the order. So you can select that. Quotation revision number. This is the field that shows that how many times this quotation has been revised. Equipment type that you need to fill in any equipment. Payment terms, like how how do you want to this payment needs to be done. You want this payment to be done, you want immediate payment or you want it in 15 days, 21 days. You can select whatever option you feel okay. Now comes the order lines. Here you need to put in the product, so just add a product, select any product. So this is already existing product in my system, I'm selecting this. So details related to that product will automatically come. For example, description, here it automatically comes. You can select the price from here, or you can select the price or set the price from the products as well. So you can select product price here. I'm selecting, like, for example, this. You can add taxes here, and it will calculate the total amount and show it to you here. Next is order terms. So these are the fields that comes inside the order terms, like journal terms, installation and commissioning terms. Journal terms comprises of any terms, packaging, freight charges, transportation charges, insurance available, delivery days, or any other thing that you want to mention in the journal terms. Okay. Then we have this installation and commissioning terms that is related to these fields, like the late delivery applicable. If yes, then late delivery date and how much amount is applicable for the late delivery. So such options are there. You can put in these, select these options if you want. Then the print lines. Here you can add a line related to product invoice. Then the optional product, any other optional product you want to add along with your main product. Other info that consist of sales, invoicing, delivery, reporting. Sales consist of salesperson, sales team, signature, any tags you want to add. Invoicing, fiscal position, like the revenue after expenditure, how much revenue difference. So you can select that. Account you can select from here. Then the delivery policy, is there any shipping policy? You can select delivery date, you can put in. Reporting, these are the different fields comes in reporting, you can select that. Then the customer signature also could be taken here. Payment term details, that the payment term, extra payment term that you want to customize, you can add that by selecting this add a line and simply select save this. Now this quotation has been saved and it will ask for the approval of the quotation. So what, whosoever has the access to approve the quotation will get the notification, and that approver will approve the quotation, and then you can confirm this quotation, like I have this access to approve it, so I could confirm this quotation. Now next option comes to convert this quotation to sales order. Okay, customer reference is missing, so I cannot convert it to sales order until unless I put in the customer reference. For example, I put in the customer reference C2 and the customer order date I select 21. Let's save it. Now the my quotation has been saved. Now we can check here this. This is our quotation that we just created. This is the number, creation date, customer reference, type, salesperson, and the status is that quotation is confirmed. So this way we have confirmed our first quotation. If we want to convert this to sales order, we can simply go to the quotation and select this option, convert to sales order. Okay, now it will send the notification to the approver to convert it into the sales order and approve it. And once the approver approves it, here I have the access, so I will approve this sale order, and that's it. Sales order is created. This is the so I let me show you inside this orders. This is the sales order we just created. So this is the sales order we just have created. So this is how it is done.